So I just wanted to show after our massive snowstorm that we had, my cleaning has been insane that I've had to do. Here's my hay pile with manure and waste and bedding. That is just from a few days. I'd say 4 days. So let's just say this has strengthened my shoulders a lot. There's the cow palace. I try when we get muddy like this, even though we put some gravel in here to try to make a road for them. I put in this nice, somebody's always willing to sell some bad hay, but you never know it. It's really green. It ended up being pretty sticky and a little bit, tiny bit of mold in it, so my cows won't eat it, but it makes great little, like a pathway for them. So that really helps their foot health. Try to make things really nice for them. Nice and inviting walk up to the cow palace. But I'll have to clean my pile out soon and add that to my gargantuan compost pile that I have. Fortunately, a couple of years ago we had a massive landslide, which has turned out to be a great composting site. So we're recovering the land with their manure and hay waste. And here they are resting after our big storm. Cows love the sun. They're the land version of the sea lion. If they could go to the beach, they would. That's all I have for now.